Welcome back to my channel Top Gear. Today we explore the 2025 Ford F-100 vintage pickup truck. This vehicle embodies a harmonious blend of classic aesthetics and contemporary engineering, drawing inspiration from the iconic 1950s F-100. The 2025 model captures the essence of its predecessor while integrating modern advancements. The exterior design showcases a retro-inspired grille and round headlights reminiscent of the original model. The body features smooth lines and a robust stance, evoking a sense of nostalgia for vintage truck enthusiasts. The incorporation of modern materials enhances durability and performance under the hood. The 2025 F-100 offers multiple powertrain options catering to diverse preferences. A 35-liter EcoBoost V6 engine provides substantial power and efficiency. Additionally, an all-electric variant caters to the growing demand for sustainable transportation. This electric model delivers impressive performance with rapid acceleration and a commendable range on a full charge. Inside the cabin, the fusion of classic design and modern technology is evident. The interior boasts premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. A large touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto offers seamless connectivity. Advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety and convenience, ensuring a secure driving experience. The 2025 F-100 excels in performance and capability. The traditional engine variant delivers robust towing and hauling capacities suitable for demanding tasks. The electric model offers instant torque, providing a dynamic driving experience while maintaining environmental consciousness. Ford has prioritized customization, offering various trim levels and optional packages, allowing owners to tailor the truck to their preferences. From exterior colors to interior finishes, the options enable a personalized touch to this classic revival. In summary, the 2025 Ford F-100 vintage pickup truck successfully marries the timeless appeal of its classic design with the demands of modern drivers. It stands as a testament to Ford's commitment to honoring its heritage while embracing the future of automotive innovation. And subscribe to my channel Top Gear.